Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to manage your profile on Netflix. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. When you're in your home page of Netflix, to go to your profile, you'll need to go to this profile icon kind of thing at the top right, and you'll be able to see all of the profiles that are sharing the Netflix account. The Netflix profile allows different members of your household to have their own personalized Netflix experience. You can add up to 5 profiles on Netflix. Let's start off by creating a profile first. From the pop-up window, select Manage Profiles. If you'd like to edit any profile, then you'll simply need to click on this pencil icon right at the top of the profile that you'd like to edit. Now, if you wish to customize your name for your profile, you can easily change it by typing in the new name that you'd like to change for your profile. You can also upload a picture for your profile by clicking on the pencil icon where your profile image is displayed. You can choose from the profile pictures that are displayed on the screen, and you'll be able to change the profile icon to something else. To confirm your selection, click on Let's Do It. And now, as you can see that you have changed your profile picture, you can also customize the maturity settings for your profile by clicking on this Edit button. If you don't want autoplay controls, for example, the autoplay for the next episode in a series on all devices and the previews while browsing on all devices, then you can uncheck these boxes and click on Save. If you wish to delete your Netflix profile, you can simply click on the Delete Profile option right here, and you'll be able to remove a particular profile off of your Netflix account. If you want to create a new profile on Netflix, click on this Add Profile button. Give in a name for your profile. If it is a kid's profile, then select this box right here. If not, leave it unchecked. After you're done, click on Continue. And that way, you'll be able to create a profile on Netflix. Similarly, you can also upload a profile picture for your new profile by clicking on this pencil icon, select the language from the drop-down, customize your maturity settings for the profile. If you want autoplay controls, check these boxes over here and click on Save. To get rid of a profile, simply click on the Delete Profile button, and from the menu displayed on the screen, click on Delete Profile to confirm your selection. Remember that you won't be able to create a new profile or delete and make any kind of edits on a profile on your mobile device, so you'll need to visit netflix.com on a computer to customize or manage your profiles. After you're done, click on Done, and that is how you can easily manage profiles on Netflix. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.